False function returns the logical value false. Type false in this cell. Press enter. Excel returns the logical value false in this cell. Click logical arrow button. Click false function. In function arguments dialog box, you can see this function has no argument. Formula result also shows that false logical value. Click cancel. Active this cell. Type false logical value in this cell. Press enter key. Excel returns false logical value in this cell. You can enter false logical value in any cell. Type again 14 in this cell. Active this cell. Now I test false condition in formula. Enter equal sign in this cell. This is cell reference E7. Type E7. Enter equal sign. Type 13. When you press enter, formula will return logical value false because cell E7 has value 14. Press enter. Formula result return false logical value in this cell. Now I test logical value on this cell. Active this cell. Click in formula bar. Enter equal sign. Type if function. Open bracket. Click this cell reference. Enter equal sign. Type 14. Enter comma. Type true in value if true argument. Enter quote mark. Type true logical value. Again enter quote mark. Enter comma. Type false in value if false argument. Enter quote mark. Type false. Again enter quote mark. Close bracket. If this cell has value 14, then function will return logical value true. Otherwise, it will return logical value false. Press enter. If function returns false because this cell has value 13,